How to fix app integrity could not be verified error. Are you struggling to install the Scarlet app and getting the error? This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. Now go to setting. Now here you need to go to Wi-Fi and make sure that are connected to this type of Wi-Fi. After that you need to go back to the general. Go to the VPN device management. Now make sure to disconnect and VPN that you have connected. So after that is scheduled to go back. Now go to transfer issue iPhone and make sure to reset your network setting to default. So after that you need to go back and here to change the region as for your local region. Now here you choose your local region. After that here to go back and save the date and time to automatic. Now here go back. Now make sure that you have updated the latest version. After the go back, now here you need to the screen time. Scroll down and go to content and privacy restrict zone. Now here to enable to disable it for one time and make sure to enable the Safari. After that the ready to go back. I go back and now she need to go down and here come find the Safari. Let's go Safari. Now clear the privacy history and restart the data from Safari. So after that here you need to go back and here you need to just go back. I need to fix that error. You need to reboot your iPhone and you can able to install this tablet on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel Tutorial Tech. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.